Welcome back to another video, y'all. We are about to change the mufflers into Boudini 2.0 right now. Just filled up with gas. About to go take it on over to Chicago Mufflers, the OG spot where I usually get all my exhaust work done. Before then, I'm about to go and do some pulls, show you guys some clips of what the car sounds like now, and then what it sounds like after, because the drone is way too loud. And I'm about to change the whole rear end of this car. We're gonna install a diffuser with this thing too, so let's get into it. The current exhaust mods that's done to this car, we got American Racing 1 7/8 long tube headers leading over to a 3-inch X pipe. Then we got no resonators, no mufflers, and then it's just straight back with the quad tips on the back. With the current setup that I got on the car now, the main reason why I'm switching to mufflers and quieting down this exhaust is because the drone is too loud on the highway, and I drive the highway all the time. And on the streets, the drone is a little bit too loud too, but typically, you guys can hear that. We're going about 70 right now, 80. And to have a conversation, I'm like really kind of yelling into the camera right now, and I'm just getting tired of it, so. Alright guys, so right here we have the Ford Racing axle back sport performance mufflers that I'm about to throw into Boudini. I found these, of course, off of Facebook Marketplace for a steal. Shout out to the couple that took this off of their Mustang and gave me this for a nice deal out in, where were we? Peru, Illinois. She's probably watching this, so shout out to you. We're about to throw these onto Boudini right now. These things go for about 750, like 800 bucks on American Muscle, and I got the deal for 200 for these. These things are in pristine condition, as you guys can see. Nicely polished chrome, no scratches whatsoever. So I'm excited to throw these on, and these are going to quiet down the exhaust of Boudini because the drone is just way too loud. As I mentioned for you guys, I mentioned that I wanted to throw on mufflers, and I'm hoping that it's not going to significantly quiet down the car, which I don't think it's going to. I think the car is still going to sound pitch perfect. I also have picked up a Boss 302 rear diffuser. And crazy story, y'all, on my way to picking up that rear diffuser, I got it from also Facebook Marketplace. It's brand new, a private seller. Shout out to the private seller. He was subscribed to the YouTube channel. Crazy enough, he didn't know it was me until we actually met. But I got in an accident with my Volkswagen on my way to pick it up. I'll show you guys some photos and videos here. I got rear-ended in the Volks, man. I'm all good though. I'm gonna drive away. It still drives good. Hopefully I can finesse some parts, but this guy over here hit this guy, and I seen him coming, but his stick shift, I couldn't drive fast enough in time to move out of the way. Rear-ended, which was unfortunate, but hopefully I'll get it all figured out with the daily. The American Racing 1 7/8 long tube headers right here, and then as we make our way back, we got the 3-inch X pipe right here, and then we deleted the resonators, which would be like right here, and then we also deleted the mufflers, but we are going to install the mufflers that are going to go right here. We got both tips off now. I'm about to throw in the diffuser. Originally, I was gonna throw in a quad tip diffuser for the quad tips, but I never did. So I already took a Dremel and cut everything like a year ago for the quad tips, but hopefully this one goes in really smooth. So I already cut everything, and you can see it now. This thing's gonna make a big difference. For the most part, it's already in there. So when I get home, I'll probably snap it in some more. All right, guys, so we just installed the Ford Racing Mufflers, the axle back mufflers, and we are not straight pipe no more. I don't know the last time I ever had mufflers on this car. It was probably when OG Bludini, when I bought it from the dealership. But he's about to give it a start. He's about to give it a start up right now. It's definitely, hold on. He can rev it, but hold on, let it sit. Gosh, Lee, it do not scare you at all. But I know when he revs it, it should give that perfect throaty tone. All right, he's good to go. Jesus, I ain't gonna lie, y'all. It's definitely, dang, I'm white as hell. Let me see. Whew. Pump this down. Definitely much quieter than I imagined. One more time. Okay. Okay, good. Okay, I fucks with it. I fucks with it. Because I do have a Pro Charger. And I believe once I do throw the Pro Charger onto this car, it'll hopefully give the exhaust a little bit more tone, make it a little bit more louder. One thing that we do have to do when I get back home is fix up the diffuser. I didn't want to take up more time and fix this thing up while they were working on it. But we're gonna tighten this up back here. I finally got the diffuser in the back. Overall though, we about to take this thing back home. The whole, I'm talking right now, the car is on. You can't even hear it. You can't even hear it, and I'm not even really yelling, which is good, but the back end looks good back here, especially still with the single tips. Okay, but this exhaust tone, man, I am very shocked. It's not loud at all. But however though, although it's not loud, it still sounds just how I want it. It's not annoying whatsoever. Jeez, it sounds really good, I'm not gonna lie. The exhaust note is just, it's very different. On the highway right now, and I think I messed up big time. I like the different tone that the car gives, but it sounds stock. It sounds, sound stock. Now I'm on the highway right now. The whole reason why I wanted to switch the mufflers was to get rid of the drone. All right, y'all, that's gonna do it for the video. Overall, I would say I'm in between with being satisfied and dissatisfied. I'm satisfied because I don't have a big drone noise, and now I could drive with peace. I'm also satisfied because I didn't spend over $1,000 on these mufflers, which cost $800 off American Muscle. I'm dissatisfied because it doesn't sound as loud as I thought it would be. I just need to be a little bit more louder. However, though, I do like it. It sounds almost stock, but a little bit louder than stock. This is, if in the future I want to change it, I could change it. It's not permanent. It's not permanent, but that just means I'll be wasting more money, obviously. But I'm satisfied for now. Fuck it, man. I'm gonna go ahead and get this fixed up another day. Not right now, not today. I gotta go. But other than that, make sure you guys stay tuned. Hopefully when I throw the Pro Charger in this thing, it'll actually boost up the exhaust tone. Look at this, man. We get to the front of the car, we can talk. We can talk even when with the back of the car. We don't even gotta be yelling. When I throw the Pro Charger onto this car, I think it'll hype up the tone a little bit more. So that's coming next. This is the plan. Trust the process. Trust the process. All right, y'all. Thanks for tuning in. Let me know what y'all think down in the comment section. Did I fuck up, or do you actually like how it sounds? So let me know. We gone.